Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. I am super excited to be able to finally do this. We bought ourselves a chassis dyno. It is now installed. I've wanted one for about 8 years now, and we're finally in a position where we could get one. So, if you're like me and always wonder if some stuff actually does make a difference, we're going to find out in some videos. So, I've got this S&B cold air intake, and we're going to install it on this 06 Cummins that has a Smarty Junior already on it, and see if it actually makes a difference. So we'll do a before pull and an after pull. So let's get this, get her going and do our baseline pull. So now that we have our baseline of 319 horse and 578 foot-pounds of torque at the wheels, 425 horse at the crank, and 822 foot-pounds, now we will install this cold air intake and see what those numbers do. So there we go, we got our stock intake out. Super easy to take out. There's just one clamp here that goes onto the turbocharger. This one goes onto the stock airbox. Airbox pulls out of these two push tabs. Also has a 10 mil bolt right here. Stock filter. The old box has these tabs that just slide out once you have the clips off. You do have to change over your mass airflow sensor, but the S&B comes with a port for that. So let's get the new one unboxed and see what we're working with. So our new cold air intake has a rubber boot here. Just two clamps hold that on, and there is a port here for the mass airflow. So you just have to transfer that from the old intake into the new one. And all you do for that is just take the screws of the old one, it pops out. There's a grommet, pops in here. There's two screws that hold it in. So let's get her all in. The new one also has this cover on the bottom that you bolt on. This is for like their scoop that comes down and goes under your bumper to get more air up in. But it has this opening where the factory box goes. Same deal. It's got these two little push tabs that push down into the grommets that are there, and comes with a bolt that goes into this hole. So there we go. She's all installed. Map sensors in, or mass airflow's in. Everything's installed. So we got everything installed. So let's run her again and see if we can beat that 319. So we got the results in. Before the cold air intake was 319.2, at the wheels and 578 foot-pounds. After the intake, 336.2 and 661. So, turns out cold air intakes actually do something. So thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoy this video, and stay tuned for a lot more dyno videos. And again, if you want to get your trucks tested, come on down and we can put them on the rollers. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.